Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do this video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 375. Got triple 425s. We are right in the throes of pollen season here in southeastern North Carolina. So gave the boat a quick squirt down, but extremely clean minus this green yellow pollen that seems to be everywhere at this time of the year. Outriggers, enclosure. Let me spin back around and get on board. I've got the motors running so you can hear that. I've got the generator running now. See your discharge over here. Also have the seakeepers pulling up. We're getting ready to take the boat out for photos. Shot of the cockpit for you. Up, show you the wet bar, refrigerators, grill, drawer storage, show you below in a minute, give you an idea of what this cockpit upholstery here. All in good shape. Cockpit table, man, nice Garmin electronics. I've got sounder on one side, I've got open array radar, you'll be able to tell from the photos. Autopilot, multifunction display there. See if I can get that shot on the video. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. It doesn't look like it on my screen, but showing 427 total hours. Got bow thruster, there's my seakeeper control down below it. Ignition switches, controls, vent trim tabs, AC vent there. Does have, just fired that up. It's hard to believe it's March the 3rd and we've got unbelievably warm, nice weather here. Please excuse my rag that's down for wiping my feet as I get on and off the boat. You go up to the bow, step through this window, but cushions are in great shape. Got a lounger set up. There's your Garmin open array. You can see your outriggers up there. These backrests for you. Let's pop down below and take a look at the port console first. And this up, obviously cushion slides across, makes a berth here. We've got it open up today. Some boating stuff in here. Air conditioner's on, there's your DVD player. Solid storage, my controls for my helm air, cockpit cooler, and cabin cooler. Excuse me, cabin AC. Picture of the TV for you, and you got the cushions for storage, or cushions for sleeping, and got them pulled up using that little area as some storage for additional boat stuff. All these cushions are in great shape. Stepping down into the head compartment. There's shower one. Controls there. Microwave. Display. Showing 469 hours on the generator. There's your control panel. Synthetic flooring. Use the microwave for storage. Doesn't look like it's ever been used. As Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, thanks for taking the time to look at this 375 Grady White Freedom with us. If you you have any questions about it or any others, give us a call, 910-264-4818. 910-264-4818. Have sunshade there. I'll have photos of these seats as soon as the photographer gets here. Take a look at those, the online photos. Guys, thanks again for taking a peek. This is a really nice boat. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.